Precision edged ladle. The precision pouring edge won't spill a drop. Bowl is flexible in the front to scoop into the corner of any pot or pan. Heat-resistant 550 degrees Fahrenheit silicone. The platinum silicone ladle is heat-resistant up to 550 degrees. Silicone design will not scratch non-stick cookware, melt on the pan, stain, or retain odor. Built-in measurements, holds over 3/4 cup, 150 milliliters, with imperial and metric measurements embossed in easy-to-read text. Dimensions: 9.0 in L handle by 4.3 in diameter bowl, 12.3 in total length. Durable design. This sleek seamless design eliminates holes and cracks that can lead to trapped food and build up. Easy to clean by hand or in the dishwasher. BPA plus BPS free. Made to last a lifetime. Made to last in your kitchen and tackle demanding uses of home cooks and professional chefs. We stand behind our products, and will always make things right. Do not hesitate to contact us if you have any questions. Aesthetically gorgeous, totally functional, and ever so ingenious, these lids turn any bowl into a storage container and fit the most common round container sizes. Reheat in the microwave, keep your drink warm, and prevent spills. Dishwasher safe and easy to clean by hand too. Reheat or steam food in the microwave, stove, bake with them in the oven, heat resistant to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. These lids create a strong airtight suction seal on any smooth surface, glass, stainless steel, aluminum, plastic, Pyrex and more. Its unibody design has no holes or seams, making it super easy to clean. Made to last forever in your kitchen, BPA, BPS and phthalate free. Top reviews from the United States. A revolution in ladle technology. It seems ridiculous to call this ladle revolutionary, but it is just that. It has a sturdy metal tang completely enclosed by heat-resistant silicone. It handles well and cleans a dream. The secret weapon is the bowl, which actually conforms to corners, allowing you to make a clean sweep of a pan without having to lift and tip it. The cherry on top is the measurement gradations on the inside of the bowl to prevent the extra step of a measuring cup and the extra cleanup that goes with. They also offer a range of colors. I cannot recommend this ladle enough. Buy one, usually won't be sorry.